Hey there, Tucker's Cove fans. Roberto Lee here at Tucker's Cove, and today we're previewing this townhome. It's the Berkly floor plan. This one here is available now for you to purchase. The Berkly here is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1-car garage townhome. It's true to the townhome sense in that you have 2 levels here. All of your living spaces are downstairs, and then you have your bedrooms upstairs. So as we come inside the front door, you've got a closet right here. And then this is going to be access to your 1-car garage. And this leads us into your kitchen area here. You're going to get a full stainless appliance package, white cabinets. You get gas cooking here at Tucker's Cove, which is a really nice feature. And quartz countertops, and this overlooks your living spaces here. Right across from the kitchen, this is where your 2.5 bath comes into play. So you have your half bath downstairs here, so you don't have to go upstairs to use a restroom. And then we have your main living spaces here. This right here, you'll notice that there's an electrical cap right up here. Great spot for your kitchen table, and plenty of room for additional bar stools right there at your kitchen. Right here is your living space, so you can either have the TV on one side or on the stairwell side as well. One other thing to notice is the stairwell does have storage underneath. So right here off your eating kitchen area, you've got a nice storage spot right there. Now we're going to go upstairs and take a look at all of the bedrooms. So as you come upstairs on the Berkly, we're going to go straight ahead and come across the laundry and the guest bedrooms, the guest bath. So first thing you see here is the laundry space here with full-size washer and dryer. And then we have the guest bedroom number 1 right here. You have guest bedroom number 2 here. Got a nice walk-in closet. And then this is all off of your guest bath with the linen closet, the commode, the combination tub and shower. And then you've got your singular sink. Now separated from the rest of the guest bedrooms, we're coming into your master now. Really nice sized master here, plenty big enough for a king size bed. And then we have your master bath here with the dual sinks. That's your water closet here. You've got the standalone shower. And then you have dual closets that are both walk-in style as well. All right, so that's all we have for the inside of the Berkly townhome here. Last thing is your exterior living space. So you do get a little bit of a lanai space out here. So you've got some room for a small table right out here. This will all be screened in. And then you have additional storage out here as well. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this townhome, it's ready for you now. Reach us in all the contact information below. For Roberto, Lee, and Pinnacle Property, we'll talk to you soon.